everyone, thanks so much for coming to my first slime testing video. I'm gonna test Karina Garcia's top 3 slimes. It's gonna be awesome. They're all pretty amazing. We have the fluffy slime, the butter slime, and I don't even know what you call this slime, maybe the snow slime. It's pretty awesome stuff. Make sure that you guys like this video because you will like it once you see the whole thing. And please subscribe as we're gonna have many more videos like this coming up. So first, let's start with the fluffy slime. This is Karina Garcia's favorite slime, and I can totally see why, because it works well, it's fluffy, and honestly, it's pretty awesome. So as you can see, I've already added my glue, white Elmer's glue, and some shaving cream. You can either use the gel or the stuff that's already foamed up. Mix it together really well, and that is my activator. You can either use contact lens solution or a borax diluted mixture. And as you can see, it is turning into a fluffy slime. This stuff is actually awesome. The texture is so squishy and fluffy, of course, because that's the name of it, but it really does work well, and it's so easy, and it just kind of takes, you know, that normal slime up a level. So I agree with Karina Garcia that this really is the best slime ever. The shaving cream in the slime makes it so fluffy, of course, but also extremely smooth. Just look at that. It's like a big fat marshmallow that's just waiting to be squished. Ugh, love this stuff. Let me know what you guys think about this fluffy slime. We are gonna move on to slime number 2, which is snow slime. And in order to make snow slime, you require some fake snow. I have this snow kit, so I'm just gonna use the snow that came with it, and it came with some food coloring tablets. So I'm gonna turn mine into pink, and it's as easy as just creating snow, mixing it with slime, and poof, you got yourself some snow slime. And here's the fun part where you get to add the snow. So you just need a teeny tiny bit, and it just fluffs right up, and it's amazing how it just sucks up all the water, and then all of a sudden you have this dry snow. It's not cold or anything crazy like that, because that would be pretty cool if it was actually cold like snow, but it's just this sort of airy, fluffy stuff, which is totally awesome. And it's so easy now. All we're gonna do is add some regular slime, and you have yourself some snow slime. And you're probably asking yourself, what is the point of this? Not that there's any really point to making slime, but this makes your slime super soft. So it's all about just adding those different textures, but this one really does make it quite a bit softer. So to emphasize the pink snow, we're gonna make some pink glitter slime. So just squirt some glue in there, squirt some activator in your glue, mix it up to make some slime. And it's actually okay in this case if your slime is a bit stickier, as the snow will stick to your slime better. So don't worry if it is still sticky. You know, you can just toss that snow right in there and it's gonna work perfectly. I'm going to try putting quite a bit of snow, and I got the impression that it almost didn't even matter how much snow I put in. It just kept absorbing it and making it softer, and yeah, this stuff is quite amazing. Look at this. It's sort of furry, fluffy, obviously snowy, but it's pretty amazing stuff. What I like about this slime is that when you add the snow, it actually makes the slime slimier. It's always nice when you can combine two things to enhance the slime, because sometimes you can add something and it actually doesn't make the slime slimier. So in this case, I really feel like it is making it better, which I'm very happy about. And the last slime that I have for you guys today is the classic butter slime. So of course there's a billion ways to make this. Karina Garcia has a video that shows 4 different ways to make butter slime. And I'm gonna do the one that just requires the ingredients as opposed to using, you know, the Model Magic by Crayola. So we're gonna get some glue, of course, some foaming hand soap, some cream, lotion, whatever you guys call it, and some food coloring. And This really adds to the texture of the whole butter slime sliminess. And we're gonna add a couple more ingredients here pretty quick after we stir this up. And one of the last ingredients we add is the foaming shaving cream. And this is truly the best part of any slime, is adding this shaving cream, because it really is so much fun. Have you guys ever tried slime with shaving cream? Please comment below, or maybe you haven't. Comment below. Let me know what your guys' favorite slime is ever, or maybe out of these top 3, what is your favorite slime? And if you guys have made them, please let me know. I'd love to hear what you guys think about these slimes. After this, you're gonna add your activator, which I did somewhere in one of these video clips, which got cut out, so you can see that it's already turning into slime. I'm watching it and editing going, where did that clip go? In the meantime, it's turning into slime. So same as before, I had a little bit of borax and water in a syringe, and I just squirted it in, and you can see that it's turning into a slime texture. Adding cornstarch creates that sort of butter slime effect, but you do have to be careful, because if you put too much cornstarch in, it starts turning into too much of a slimy texture. So you're gonna see that it actually maybe gets a little bit stringy, and you can see even right now it's sticking to my fingers a bit more. So you really kind of have to be careful with the cornstarch. I almost recommend maybe not even putting it in, because it gets a bit crazy. So I ended up having to put more of the activator in it to turn it back into more of a slime. It does help create more of that butter slime texture, like I mentioned with the cornstarch, but just be careful that you don't add in too much. So after a lot of kneading and finding the right balance between cornstarch and the activator, here is my butter slime. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I went a little bit more on the thicker side. As you can see, it's sort of ripping. This is totally a personal preference, so you don't need to do that. Just put less activator in it. So pretty happy with how this turned out. It's super soft, squishy, slimy, and it has that sort of buttery texture as well. So you guys, that's the top 3 Karina Garcia slimes. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Please comment on which was your favorite. Thanks, everyone.